Wanakam, I'm Krishna Mackenzie and I practice permaculture. This is soursop. Soursop is an incredibly tasty fruit. Its taste is a bit of a mix of pineapple guava, and it is said that it is 10,000 times more effective in the treatment of cancer than chemotherapy. Now, I'm no doctor, but check out the research on Google. It's amazing. This grows easily. Wouldn't you like to grow it yourself? This is a soursop tree. The flower is so beautiful, so sensual, and the fruit is like almost from another planet, you know, and it's so tasty. Now, these leaves of the soursop tree, they have a very special aroma, and when we boil the leaves and then add a little lemon, it's a delicious sort of tisane. But then you can also have it cold. We sell it cold in the cafe, and it's a delicious juice, sweet or unsweet. So nice. This tree takes about 5 years to give fruits, from putting the seed in a pot to growing it in the land. Let's go to the nursery and I'll show you how to plant it and how it grows. Now, these are soursop seeds that we've saved. They're very lovely seeds. I want to take them to the nursery now and show you how to plant them. Take some pots that are not too small, because you're growing a seedling, a sapling actually. It's a tree, no? So you don't want to have like a small pot. The roots have to have space to grow. I would say this is really the minimum size, you know. This is probably a little small. This sort of Milky Mist curd pot is really perfect, you know. You whack a few holes in the bottom, which we've done, and you know, Bob's your uncle. That's all you need. And now you just can take a few seeds, take a couple of seeds and put them in there. 1, 2, push them in. They got to go about an inch deep, sort of like 2.5 times the size of the seed into the soil. And then this soil should be nicely watered. So these are the soursop seedlings that have sprouted. They're about 3 weeks old. Look, you can see this one's just sprouting now, and this one is a bit more advanced. Possibly you might transplant that into a bigger pot a bit later on. Now, these guys have been in here probably about a year now, I guess, and they might not have had the same care as those other seedlings, but they're kind of hardy. And when it comes to the monsoon, we'll plant these out. This is so easy to do. You know, you do need to water soursops. You can't just leave them like a mango and a chico. You can just sort of leave them, and amla, and don't even do anything. These guys need a little bit of water, but with heavy mulch, and in the summer, you know, every couple of weeks a bit of water, they're going to be fine. And with a good monsoon like last year, wow, we're getting so many soursops. Now, I really want to show you how to make a juice or a tea with the leaves. So come, let's go and have a look in the kitchen. So when you cut the soursop, this is what it looks like inside. It's white, it's fleshy, and it's very, very, very tasty. This is the champagne of all the fruits. So these are some soursop leaves that I just harvested, and you know, you can just rip them up a little bit. I mean, even that you don't need to do, and you just put them in some boiling water like this, you know, and just mix it up a little bit. Let it boil for about, I'd say, 5 minutes. Add a little lemon, and Bob's your uncle. So there's your soursop in the cup. Put a little bit of lemon in there, and if you want it sweet, lovely. If you want it just like that, fine. absolutely unique taste. This is delicious. Of course, this has a very high medicinal value that we're talking about. But aside from that, food is medicine, medicine is food. And this is just quite simply a delicious drink as well. Please have a look at the video links in the description below. Subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell so you know when new videos are coming. And share these videos with all the friends and family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll share some more later.